Goa is not only the land of beaches or city of churches. It's a feeling that defines thrill in the most amazing way. Almost every home in Goa would look similar to your dream house. Sizes may be small, but they are perfect for those calm and cozy moments. Every Goan knows that hospitality is not a trend in the city, it is a tradition that they follow without any remark. Watching sunrise on a beach of Goa will make you realize that what you have missed so far in your life. No matter what your dream destinations are, Goa will always make its space in your wish list.
In spite of being India's smallest state by area, Goa's history is both long and diverse. It is located on the west coast of India in the region known as Konkan. Goa has a long history of rulers dating back to the 3rd century BC when it was part of the Mauryan Empire. The Mauryan and Satavahana empires ruled the modern day Goa during the Iron Age. Goa has been ruled by numerous rulers, and Portuguese were the most successful of them all. The Portuguese came in 1498 and were the first Europeans to set foot in India. They soon established a trading colony for the sole purpose of dealing with spices and cotton, and later ended up ruling the state when the Portuguese admiral Alfonso de Albuquerque defeated the ruling Bijapur kings on the behalf of a local sovereign. The Portuguese rule lasted for about 450 years and heavily influenced Goan culture, cuisine, and architecture. In 1961, the Indian Army invaded and annexed Goa after a 36-hour battle. The region was incorporated as a union territory of Goa, Daman and Diu. Goa became a full-fledged state on May 30, 1987.
It was constructed in 1605. Bom Jesus is the name used for a key homo in the country of Portuguese colonization. This church is located in the Old Goa. It is also known as the former capital of Portuguese India and holds the modern remains of St. Francis Xavier. Dudhsagar Waterfalls. It is located on the Mandovi River in the state of Goa. It is also one of the most India's tallest waterfalls with a height of 310 meters and average width of 30 meters. Kalingat Beach, which is located in the North Goa. It is the largest beach in North Goa, which offers tourists more water sports activities. The peak tourist season is during Christmas, New Year, and during summer season in May. Fort Aguada, nestled beside the Arabian Sea, this is the magnificent fort was constructed to offer defense against the Marathas and Dutch. It is one of the most important heritage of Portuguese culture. Baga Beach. It is one of the most popular beaches in North Goa. It is located 16 km from the state capital of Goa, Panaji.
The people of Goa are known as Goans. They are peaceful, friendly, and fun-loving people who love rest. The lifestyle in Goa reflects a unique blend of East and West, and the Goans usually comprise of a Hindus and a Christian population and a small Muslim community. The people of Goa are very tolerant, a civilization of warm, happy people. Goa is a mix of different religions like Christians, Catholics, Muslims, and Hindus that live together in consonance. Following their age-old traditions and customs, Goans celebrate all major festivals without bringing any religious barrier within the society. The traditional customs of Goa people are very similar to other states of South India. Generally, women wear sari. The sari is standard with precious stones and jewelry. Goan's food consists of regional foods popular in Goa on Indian state located along India's west coast on the shore of the Arabian Sea. Rice, seafood, coconut, vegetable, meat, pork, and local spices are some of the main ingredients in Goa. Goan food is considered incomplete without fish.
Now, we can visualize the handicraft of Goa. The handicraft of Goa are intricately beautiful, capturing the fancies of tourists and locals alike. These crafts are mirrors of Goa's perennial beauty. The major art forms of the state include bamboo craft, wood carving, brass metal, seashell craft, and wooden lacquerware. And the other important crafts are fabric collage, plaster of Paris, etc. The local artists make excellent craft from a wide range of materials. These items are crafted by professional artisans in their ethnic ambience in the rural areas. So now we can go through the Goan music and dances. Goa is a land of highly talented and artistic people with a rich cultural synthesizing, blending East and West most creatively. In addition to classical, different forms of music and dance have evolved. Music and dance form the very fiber of rural Goa. Goan folk dances bear a tradition of thousands of years, categorized by innumerable forms, performed by and reflecting lifestyles, cultures and aspirations of different religions and castes of Goan society. Women perform a number of traditional dances. It includes Dekni, a rare blend of traditional and modern music. Fogdi and Dalo are the most common folk dance of Goa. Women holding lamps on their head perform a lamp dance during Shigno festival. There are many other kinds of folk dances. A wide variety of musics are used in Goa, ranging from Western art of music. Musical instruments from Goa are categorized into percussion, sound and individual played instrument. Some of the instruments are played individually and some are used by orchestra. The instruments are mainly played in temples and church, etc. Now we can go through some of the instruments used in Goa. Ghumat. Ghumat is a folk musical instrument used especially in Goa. Mridang. In Goa, temples as part of ritualistic worship, there are a traditional presentation of kirtan. These are used mainly during festival and celebration in temples. Tasha. It is also a popular instrument used in Goa. Sanai. This is the most well-known musical instrument and it is called Shanai by the locals in Goa.
Carnival, perhaps the most famous of all festivals, the carnival is the epitome of celebration in Goa. It is celebrated for 3 days and 3 nights and preceded by the month of February. Feast of Saint Francis Xavier. This renowned festival in Goa is carried out to honor the death of Saint Xavier, popularly known as Guancho Sahib, Lord of Goa by locals. Shigmo or Shishirotsava is a significant festival of the Hindu community in the state of Goa. This is a spring festival celebrated around March in every year.